I quit! That's it. I quit.
You're not drinking?
I quit.
What about cigarettes?
I quit.
Tell Dennis I quit.
If I quit, my father won't pay my tuition.
I quit. I'm resigning. That's it.
I heard you got fired.
Well, you heard wrong. I quit.
I quit, so you don't have to pay me. Now leave me alone.
That's it. I quit.
You can't quit.
What do I even do anymore, Connor?
Cigarette?
No thanks, I quit.
You want to play? I quit playing board games 5 years ago.
I quit.
I opened my own hotel.
I won't play this game anymore. I quit.
Let's get something else straight. You need me a lot more than I need you. You don't like the way I do things? Fine. I quit.
You know what scares me? I quit the case. She gets better. And I hate her for it.
For your safety and the safety of those around this table, I am considering it.
Then consider this. I quit. You accused me once. I put up with it. You accused me twice. I quit.
You show me a pay stub for $72,000 on it, I quit my job right now and I work for you.
I may be an immature father, okay? But I'm still your employer. And as your boss, I want you on that crew boat tonight and back in the office by Monday. You got that?
Okay. I quit. Got a light, Lieutenant?
I quit smoking. Besides, I don't think they allow it in here.
What are they gonna do, arrest me for smoking?